In the heart of nature, a tiny bird embarks on an incredible journey. From building a nest to raising its young, witness the miracle of life unfold.
With patience and precision, the bird collects twigs, leaves, and soft materials to craft a secure home. Every branch is carefully chosen to protect the future.
After days of preparation, the moment arrives. Small, delicate eggs are laid, holding the promise of new life. For days, the mother bird warms the eggs, shielding them from the harsh world outside. Her dedication is unwavering, and then a tiny crack appears. One by one, the chicks break free, stepping into a brand new world, hungry and helpless. With endless devotion, the parents bring food, ensuring their young grow strong. Each